Kunjani bafethu? Kamuhelo sibelebele abathi Mike Mosha Sobhadala. What a performance from Umjita namhlanje bafethu. I mean, he totally deserved that Man of the Match award. What a brilliant performance. I think uPule Modi akafuna ukulizwa igama elithi Kamuhelo sibelebele because Kamuhelo sibelebele he really owned Pule Modi in that first half. Pule Modi couldn't do anything in the first half of it. He tried and tried and tried, but hey, uSibelebele was on top of his game. Bekadefendisa ongathi uSailor Modown namhlanje bafethu, winning each and every tackle, clean tackles as well bafethu, uthatha ibhola, pass ibhola to his teammates, and Orlando Pirates start playing from there. He was their best player out there bafethu. I mean, in the second half, yes, Uvelebaye came in and he really tried to take on uSibelebele, but I mean, he was brilliant namhlanje bafethu. I mean, Coach Abdeslam Waddu, he really trusts uSibelebele when it comes to the big games. Each and every time a big game is being played by Orlando Pirates, right? Whether it's Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs, Sibelebele will start for Coach Abdeslam Waddu, right? Amayama game angahlala ngawadlali, but come those so-called big games, Sibelebele will play and he always delivers. Bafethu, what a performance! Totally deserved that Man of the Match award. Salute.
Mike Mamosha was moving like Prime Ramos with a mixture of Hakimi, Aibu, Mudau on top. Ibafethu, uSibelebele wenzani? Emakhukhwini aSibelebele akakhipha Modi akaphuma ephaketheni aSibelebele. Ucash benohoto abakhiphe uLilepo ephaketheni. uLilepo udlalile nje. Ingabe kanti amakhosi adlale ngabadlali abashodayo. Hayi mazebra bafana sinigubhisa iqanda lenjelwane. Nanokuthi nje bafethu masithi sicela uMahoba, sicela uMbatha. Suke sazi la ukuthi sithini. Suke siyazi into esiyifunayo. Siyama-fans ngeke sisabotage team yethu mbethu. Kodwa manje selokho coach angenduku lokho siyamlusa. Eyazi into right mbethu. Hayi mazebra, you guys were outclassed. Benenzani lapha mazebra? Benza funa look and build up from the back. Nibona ukuthi niya attack. Hayi bese ngenhla kakhulu namhlanje ni proof nje ukuthi position doesn't mean you a game. Hayi bafana bami lento enayenza kuMahoba. Nolokhe nayijezela nje. Nolokhe ay up the bucks ayudlalile uSibelebele namhlanje. Bengafuneli lutho ngosipotsheni wakhe. Hayi bafana mengase kuthonga bancoma ivideo ngathatha 10 minutes. Cha nje siyabonga mzomnyama.
Call the season off. Call the fucking season off. Yabona futhi Kaizer Chiefs ayikiclubhe ngekho serious njengale. Yabona la thina asihlonishwe ngisho abaphathi beKaizer Chiefs. Yabona iKaizer catching 3-0 from Orlando Pirates, and don't get me wrong, good play from Orlando Pirates. Bebeyazi sibazoyenza egroundini. As for lezi inja lezi bebengazi bazoyenza egroundini. Bebengazi game yonke. Yabona nje first half ngize ngacikeka. I almost broke my phone indlela athi nginyanye ngayo. Because Kaizer Chiefs, what the fuck is that? Nina fans azonibuka. Nina fans anikhokhelela imali ukuthi azonibuka. Nina, this is the bullshit you play. This is the bull. Abona fethu, from management to coaches to players, fuck you all.
I want my money back, Kaizer Chiefs. I want my money back. I poured 400 and 95 petrol. I sat in traffic. My app at the gate gave issues, but then it came back online. I got in. I stood in the rain. All of this to go watch Kaizer Chiefs twerk. All I can remember is one shot on target. One. I saw Hoto in line with me, live, get an assist. I saw Kaizer Chiefs forget that they're playing a game. They forgot that we're playing a Soweto derby. Kaizer Chiefs. Hugo Bruce was in attendance at the stadium. Sold out affair. And then you guys are going to come back and tell me when no Kaizer Chiefs player is selected for the World Cup, Hugo Bruce is being unfair. When I keep telling you every time, no Kaizer Chiefs player deserves to be in Bafana Bafana. Not even one. Not even the goalkeeper, Peterson. Yes, you can say today Vumo was in goals, but not even Peterson. I actually don't know what I watched. I don't know what I witnessed with my own two eyes at the stadium. I was there live in 4D. 4K live, seeing Pirates run rings around us. You can auto retire. Please, enough, man, auto retire. And I knew it. As soon as Makgopa got off the bench, I told people that were next to me, I said, watch Makgopa score. Because in every derby, this guy rocks up. 3. 1, 2, 3. The first one, we weren't even... lapse of concentration in the 4th minute. 4. Not even 14th minute, 40th minute. 4 minutes lapse of concentration. And we concede. I actually don't know what to say. I don't know what I witnessed. That's why, Kaizer Chiefs, please, I need my reinvestment for that. You guys can blame the coaches all you want. I'm going to say it now. Our players are not good enough. Our players are not good enough. And I told you long ago, forget about the league. Some Kaizer Chiefs supporters, of course, I'll pay you more. We still have a chance in the league. You saw with your own 2 eyes, you saw what happened out there. I don't even know if I'm going to do a player rating today. Because it's all 2s and 1s. Maybe Chislett and Mabu are the only 2 that can get something. And these guys, also these coaches, why do you guys mess with the starting lineup? Yes, Solomon's, just start the normal back 4. The normal back 4, which you've been going through to Kev. You concede 1 goal, not concede a goal. You come and change it on Derby Day. Derby Day, you make big calls. Obviously, Vuma Peterson's injured, but you make other big calls on Derby Day. Like, guys, what are you thinking, Ben Khalil and Cedric Kaze? What is going on in here? Whatever, we twat, big time.
Hello, Sisi. Tolubuza office Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh, okay, good. Yes, uthetha noTumelo Trom. Speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates. Yes, Orlando Pirates lengu number 1 kuloko. We are very excited. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large. Sorry. Yes, singuye nguTumelo Trom lo ophinda abe ngupresident wabalandeli bebhola eAfrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Sanibetha benilindele ntoni. Sorry. Hayi anizazonihleka ndizonichekisha uba niziva njani. Niva njani sisi? Ingaba ipain igcwele umzimba wonke. Ndifuna uchekisha uba ikhona na indawo engekho buhlungu apha kuni. Hayi sizandinihleki. Ndicela sibale goals zePirates. Una 1. Una 2. Una usekhona utrophy. Sizazibala nje sigona sikaqhibi. We are very excitement. Kawuthi uthuleke kamandi ke ngoku.
Cha, shem nisidlile. Cash no deposit. Akukho nokuthi ngingakhalaza nithi ngirojiwe, cha nisidlile nje. Hayi nisitalabhile. Hayi nisishayile, nisinabisile. Yar. 3. Hayi bandla. Hayi nisishayile. Ngifuna ngisho nisitalabhile. Mamelodi Sundowns siyaxolisa bandla ngokuthi nithembisa ukuthi sizonishayela bona. Hayi nibonile nani nibonile umphakathi ubonile. Hayi basinabi basishayile. Hayi basishayile. Hayi hey Sam. Hayi yo ngathi nishaye ngumphakathi. Hey.
madoda. Angiyazi nje ihlazo phela leli bafowethu. Yazi asihlazi iPirate madoda yazi yabukisa ngathi Nkosi samthixo. Nkosi sami lo phela nini iviki. Nangapha nje ngikwatile ngizodlula ngaseOrlando Stadium yazi nginyanye ngiyafa ubuke nje. Ayi. Ngisaba nokuqalaza mfowethu yazi nje kubuhlungu mfowethu ngishaya amahloni mfowethu ukudlula la mfowethu hey ngiyafefezela mewuthi angidlulela mfowethu ngishaya uvalo mfana mengidlula la ngithukile mfowethu ngidizi hey bafethu beyisho usiqedi iPirate like bekwenzakalani bafethu like yini ngempela namhlanje yu bafethu madoda ngiyanyanya yezwa yabona nje ukudlula la ngiyakwata ndodi basibabukisa ngathi abantu besho usiqede hawe ma.
This is the Orlando Pirates we know. This is the Orlando Pirates we love. This is the Orlando Pirates that went 11 games unbeaten. Who has done that? I think Coach Pito went 10 games. I think Rulani went 9 games. Orlando Pirates, I think, are the first ones in the PSL to go 11 games unbeaten. They were the first team to go 11 games unbeaten, and today's performance was them making a statement. Yalo mlando of 11 games unbeaten. Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. The Soweto Derby has taken place, guys. I look crazy. I was watching the game outside, so I don't really have a proper analysis of the game because I was traveling. But when you look at the starting 11, say Orlando Pirates, that is the starting 11 that wins you the game, where you have a Rele starting as a number 10, you have a Mbata and you have a Makaula. So what are you trying to say? You are trying to say I need ball players in the middle of the park. I need a CDM that will be able to break a play here Kaizer Chiefs, and I need a creative player that will be able to connect with the wingers and the striker. And those are the 3 people that give you exactly that in Orlando Pirates: Makaula, Mbata, and Rele. Can we normalize playing Rele Mofokeng in position number 10 for the sake of the national team? We know Gutu Uzwane is the best man we have, but unfortunately in football, where you have to retire. Let's start training our Rele to be that number 10 that we need in the national team. Brilliant performance by Orlando Pirates.
Okay bafethu, I'm guessing ukuthi video namhlanje izophelela la. Yabona nje mfethu into engayisho ne, losing to is Sundowns, then losing to iKaizer mfethu. Yo, ayide mfethu isibhayizisile mfethu, because all of the sudden mfethu my friends mfethu we were now doubting its teammate, like it was like iPirates is not good enough, or the policy isidlala eliyabheda mfethu after losing those 2 games. Mfethu nami ngiyazibala abantu who were doubting ucoach, because nami mfethu I was like iChiefs yosmura mfethu. iChiefs yosmura. I was scared. I was even scared to ubuka game, bro. I was so scared to even watch the game. But isikhathi sihamba dog around boma 70 minutes, I'm like, wait, konje into engisaba ngeChiefs mfethu. Like ilile lo player le mfethu eliso dangerous, which is that like liang stress mfethu, because this is Chiefs dog. They've been playing bad the whole season, even though they're in the top 4, but they've been playing bad for their standards. So and that's why I was so scared and nervous about the game. It too. Some you guys are missing out big time. More than my lose or win a petit ball is something else. And in the guys of big shout out to Mrem and police for them to finally score my goals, because now I was really critical of them ever since they came back from EFCON like Abasafani. But I'm trying to figure with Bako really, I'm happy for them with Bako really, and I'm happy for the team, because we are going to benefit like we are going to benefit having the team having Mrem no police were informed. Like we are going to benefit from that. Like I'm really happy with Bako Labachita, and but I don't even know what to say. It's like even though I wanted 4 or 5 goals, like just for control, just for control, because like back time and like they are superior, but why? I needed 4 goals, bruh. I needed 4 goals. Oh, and before ngivale video ne, enye into that I wanted to address ile nto leka usisi ogcina nimzulu utheni uthe like we need to play really in the number 10 position, and sure angimphisi bafethi like right, absolutely correct, but into engibona ngathi yenzeka, I feel like ama fans aqhoshwa ukuthi we still have really who can play the role ka number 10 bafethu, like kumele sibe realistic la. If really ehamba isizini mayiphela, who's our best number 10? Who is our best number 10? Ungathi Umbule, because Umbule is not a scoring number 10. Our best number 10 is Utito. And right now we need Utito in his best form of his life. We need Utito phethe funa ibhola, afuna ukuzi-expressa phethe. We need Utito phethe ufuna ukudlala ibhola. Utito ngasabi ukuthi ama-fans akhe azombhuisha. You know, because right now phethe ama-fans e-Chiefs no-Sundowns abanandaba noTito mfethu. The people who are putting down Utito are ama-fans e-Pirates. And I see thing into it, because the moment Urila hamba, Utito is the best number 10 we have in the team. Whether you guys like it or not, because Umbule doesn't score, doesn't assist, but he's a beautiful soccer player, dog. But he agagnik lento le oyithola from Urile and Utito, which is goals and assists. You know, Umbule likes to play deep, and I can't fault him for that. But all I'm saying with him, right now, as not close, we have really a team who can play number 10. Because the minute we hamba, we are left to do Tito number 10, and we can't be putting Tito down as a fancy Pirates. We can't. He's like Tito is literally our top 4, top 3 best players in our team. So there's no need for us to look put Tito down. We need that guy, because Urele is too good for a PSL. He might leave anytime. And then like we are going to struggle with number 10 if we keep putting Utito down, because Utito something in his best form. I don't know why I'm crashing out about Utito. We just want a derby. We just want a derby. Okay, my pizza. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for video. Everyone who engage from Abu Mapili, Abu Oweni. Yo, it's baningi abantu like who comment, who engage with me, like ngento le ngiyayithanda bafethu, keep doing it. Ngiyabonga bafethu kakhulu. And omunye ungibuzile ukuthi what happened to the ama-ads. Hey mfethu angazi, yabona nje mfethu YouTube mfethu angazi nika lami, but I'm just happy ukuthi you guys comment, you guys watch. Iyadima ukuthi aqhamuke wayiqhamukanga, yabo. I'm just happy ukuthi you guys watch and you guys comment nenza lento lezo bafethu. Ngiyantshela like in the next 2-3 years, this is going to be the biggest football channel, like I say. Watch this space, I'm telling you.